Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fake nosebleed. Whether you're cosplaying or celebrating Halloween as an MMA fighter, boxer, or even Eleven from Stranger Things, this easy tutorial will give you that realistic look. The only products you will need are fake blood and Q-tips. These products are available on my Amazon affiliate page. The link is down in the description below. First, you're going to take a Q-tip and dip one end into the fake blood. Just like this. And you're going to apply the fake blood just below one of the nostrils. This gives the illusion of the blood coming from inside of the nose. Do not insert the Q-tip and the fake blood inside of the nostrils. Apply your desired amount of blood and let it drip down naturally. You can also repeat the same steps just below the other nostril if you want fake bleeding on both sides. And that's how you make a fake bloody nose. What Halloween makeup look do you want to see next? Comment down below. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you again in the next one.